Hi, in this video I will show you how to fix high memory CPU RAM usage on Windows 11. So, if your PC feels slow or the fan is always loud, high CPU or RAM usage is usually caused by background apps, startup programs, or system services. Follow these steps in order to fix the problem. Step 1 is checking what's using CPU or RAM. Press Ctrl, Shift and Escape button on your keyboard and it will instantly open up Task Manager. Simply click the Processes tab, that will be this one, and this will show up all the processes going on in your computer. Simply sort by CPU or memory to see which apps are using the most resources. All the apps that will be using a lot of resources, simply right click on the app and click End Task. That will instantly decrease your CPU, memory and network usage. What you can also do is, if any apps looks unnecessary, simply select it, right click and click End Task again. After you do this, your problem will be fixed. Now, step 2 is disabling startup apps. In the Task Manager, go to Startup Apps tab and disable apps that you don't need at a startup, like Cloudflare Wrap. I will simply right click and click Disable. I will right click this and click Disable again. So, these are the apps that automatically start when you restart your PC. Simply right click on any app that is enabled and you don't need it, right click and click Disable. After you do this, a lot of RAM and CPU will be saved. Now, what you can also do is turn off background apps. Simply navigate to Settings on your PC, go to the search and click Apps. Now, click Install Apps and click the three-dotted icon after any app and click Advanced Options. Now, click Set Background Permission App to Never. So click this and click Never on any app that is not needed. So do this for non-essential apps only. Now, another way to fix this problem is by checking for Windows updates. Simply navigate to Settings and click Windows Update button just right here. After you click it, simply click Check for Updates, and if you see any updates available, simply click the Download and Install button that you will see just right here. So Microsoft often fixes performance and memory leaks through updates. Now, another way to fix this problem is scanning for malware. Simply open Settings and click Privacy and Security. Now, click Windows Security and click Virus and Threat Protection. Here, you can simply click Quick Scan and search for hidden malwares that can cause constant high CPU or RAM usage. You can simply remove them from just right here. After you do this, you can navigate to step 6, that is adjusting visual effects. So press Windows plus R on your PC, then type in sysdm.cpl, hit enter and it will show up. This tab will have to navigate to Advanced and click Settings under Performance. Now, select or adjust for best performance or disable animations manually. So all these animations that you see, you can simply select them and remove them, then click OK, and this will remove all the unnecessary animations that is shown when you use your UI of your PC. This will also reduce load on an older or low RAM system. Now, what you can also do is simply open Task Manager by pressing Ctrl, Shift and Escape and find Windows Explorer here. Now, select it, right click and choose Restart. This fixes temporary memory spikes. Important notes: Chrome and game launchers are common memory hogs. Avoid using multiple antivirus programs. Also, low RAM systems like 4 to 8 GB benefit the most from these fixes. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.